Yeah, so this is a filet mignon, okay? Yeah, you heard it right. Filet mignon, because our clients deserve that. Not sure how many other healthy meal delivery services are doing filet mignon. Actually, I do. Fucking zero. I gotta make sure my guys, my chefs, clean, squirt away, eat. All good, guys. Thank you. This stuff's important. Obviously, we maintain the highest standards as it relates to cleanliness and attention to detail. And obviously, food safety is important. These guys lead the culinary team, so got to make sure I'm holding them accountable so they hold the team accountable. That said, let's just jump right into this. Obviously, we're here to, this is which week is this? Week 11. Yes, we're going to be tasting the menu for week 11, obviously before it goes out to our clients. The reason why we're here is not to make sure everything's good, but to look for things that we can do better, right? Because we owe that to our clients. We have a responsibility to our clients and to ourselves to constantly seek ways to grow, evolve, and basically provide our clients a better product so they can crush their goals and do what they sought out to do when they came and joined the Nutrition Solutions family. So let's get started with the first meal, guys. Tara, you want to come check this out? This is the first meal that we're trying. And Chef Mark, what is this?
In front of you, you have brown
come on,
sugar.
don't be afraid to come on in.
Certified Angus beef fillet tips, baby potatoes, sauteed mushrooms with a bourbon glaze.
Yeah, come and get a close up of that, Tara. And yeah, so this is a filet mignon. Okay, yeah, you heard it right. Filet mignon, because our clients deserve that. Not sure how many other healthy meal delivery services are doing filet mignon. Actually, I do. Fucking zero. That's a fact. But yeah, I mean, look, this is actually really kind of a fun thing. I'm not sure if I've ever told you this. I'm sure I've told you this. But years ago, at one point, well, you know, not one point, for several years, when we first started the company, our food was trash. I mean, quite frankly, I wouldn't feed it to my dog Beckham at this point. Admittedly, again, at the time I thought it was good, but I remember as we were working to improve, and you know, at that time I didn't have a team, I was outsourcing everything to a catering company. I always visualized and said, like, you know, one day I'm gonna have filet mignon. I'm gonna figure out a way to have filet mignon on our menu. Obviously, filet is an expensive cut. It's not cheap. It's a great you know, cut of protein, and you know, I'm just very proud of us for being able to do that. I know our clients love it. So I guess without further ado, I mean, let's try it. It looks good. What do we got here? What's this?
That's the bourbon sauce.
Yep. Yeah, steak is good. Flavor's on point. The sauce, it's not overwhelming. It's not too thick. Obviously, you know, we have to dress things up a little bit here. We're a healthy meal delivery company, so if we're putting the same stuff on our food as restaurants, you know, packed with sodium, sugar, extra carbohydrates, obviously we'd be doing our clients a disservice. So whatever you did there, you nailed it, and I appreciate it. Can I see the actual meal with the packaging? Cool. This is a beast one. Yeah, this is the bigger portion meal. These ones have over 50 grams of protein. It's a fat loss. Yeah, this is, okay, so these meals, you have different portion sizes. Different people have different goals. These ones, the fat loss portions, have about 4 ounces of protein, which are typically between 28 to 35 grams of protein. The beast meals, 7-ounce portions of protein, have over 50 grams. So trying to accommodate, yeah, we'll go on to the next one. Trying to accommodate people with different goals and different lifestyle. Obviously, you know, not all diets are created equal. I would say, guys, before we move on, these potatoes taste a little bland to me. The mushrooms are on point. The steak is phenomenal, popping with flavor, and then you get to the potatoes, and it's just kind of a, I mean, they taste like potatoes. They don't taste bad, But I think we need to look at that and just figure out how we can just bring it up a little bit and have it kind of be on par with its counterparts. I would love for you, chef, to maybe just taste it, let me know what you think, and just offer a solution. It's something subtle.
Do a little bit of garlic and herb on it.
Okay, Lily, you gonna document that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome, make it happen.